Adarsh Institute of Management and Information Technology, established by Adarsh Vidya Sangh, a group of educational institutions to provide high-quality education. Masters in Business Administration, a star program launched in the year 2004. AIMIT is a well-known and reputed name in education sector and ranked in top MBA colleges in Bengaluru. Our college is ideally located in the heart of the city, offering MBA program affiliated to Bengaluru City University with a choice of specializations. This program offers the advantage of dual specialization. A team of highly qualified staff work tirelessly to promote the all-round development of the students. The IT lab, containing the computers with latest configuration, network together to explore the concepts of information technology. The entire campus is 24/7 Wi-Fi enabled. Library at AIMIT houses more than 16,000 books on management and social science. It has membership with other institutional libraries and has a database of ProQuest and JGate. The library enhances the quality of learning in students and professors in acquiring information, knowledge, and skills required for their betterment. A healthy mind resides in a healthy body. At AIMIT, we have a well-equipped gym with professional trainers, which provides an ideal atmosphere for the holistic development. The auditorium is fully air-conditioned and equipped with high-end audio-visual system and has a comfortable seating capacity of about 150 people. It is extensively used for presentations, guest lectures, workshops, and for hosting functions of the college. We believe in having Indian values. Yoga sessions are conducted to create awareness of its benefits. World Yoga Day is observed every year. Yoga experts educate and demonstrate the yogasanas to the students and guide them to have a balanced life. AIMIT Incubation Center is a member of Jyoti Institute of Technology Foundation, supported by Atal Incubation Mission, Niti Aayog, Government of India. The purpose of our incubation center is to promote the culture of innovation and entrepreneurship among our students. There is a popular saying, I hear and I forget, I see and I remember, I do and I understand. Research shows that when people do something, they remember it for their lifetime. The Business Lab provides a congenial atmosphere for students to experiment with the management concepts and strategies learnt in their curriculum. The Recreation Room is an exclusive place for students to unwind and refresh from the rigor of academics. This also facilitates socializing with their peer groups. It includes girls and boys common room, locker facilities for the students, and not at all. Students can also engage in various indoor sports such as table tennis, chess, carom, etc.